Force classification. Forces are classified as either contact or body forces. Classified contact or body forces. A contact force is produced by direct physical contact For example, an example is the force exerted on a body by a supporting surface. On the other hand, a force body force is generated by virtue of position of a body within a force field, such as a gravitational electric or magnetic field. An example of a body force is your weight. Forces may be further classified as either concentrated or distributed. Forces may be further classified as either concentrated or distributed forces. Every contact force is actually applied over a finite area and is therefore really a distributed force. However, when the dimensions of the area are very small compared with the other dimension of the body, we may consider the force to be concentrated at a point with negligible loss of accuracy. Force can be distributed over an area, as in the case of mechanical contacts, over a volume, when a body force such as weight is action, or over a line, as in the case of weight of a suspended cable. The weight of a body is the force of gravitational attraction distributed over its volume and may be taken as concentrated force action through the center of gravity. We have a definition also here. Every contact force is actually applied over a finite area and is therefore really a distributed force. However, with the dimension of the area very small, at very small of contact area, we may consider the force to be concentrated at a point with negligible loss of accuracy. Force can distributed over an area as in the case of mechanical constant. Contact over a volume weight of a body on line, case of weight of a suspended cable. The weight of a body is the force of gravitational action is the force of gravitational attraction distributed over its volume. And may be taken as a concentrated force acting through the center of gravity. The position of the center of gravity is frequently obvious if the body is symmetric. If the position is not obvious, then a separate calculation, example in chapter 5, will be necessary to locate the center of gravity. We can measure a force either by comparison with other known force using a mechanical balance or by the calibrated movement of an elastic element. All such comparison or calibration have as their basis a primary standard. The standard unit of force in SI units is the Newton, as we said before, and in the US customary service is pound, as defined in previous chapter. Action and reaction of forces is the next section.